Hi, today we will talk about Power Query parameters. They much resemble variables in programming languages, and they can help you filter datasets, add conditional or custom columns, and perform other tasks that can facilitate the process of importing and transformation of data.
We'll start with a simple dataset which contains data about sales of some merchandise. We used it to build a simple clustered column visual. First, let's enter the Power Query editor. In the Home ribbon, you can see a menu with options for adding, modifying, and managing parameters. Let's add a new parameter. We should name this parameter current year, because we'll use it to filter dataset by years. It should be required. Type of data should be any. If you open Suggested Values combo, you can see that it contains 3 values. Any value means that you are entering data manually. List of values implicates that value of parameter should be chosen from the list. Query means that parameters should be chosen from the list after launching a new document based on Power BI template. We will choose list of values and populate the list. We will choose year 2021 for default and current value. By clicking OK, we created a parameter and gave it an initial value. By choosing a parameter, in the left panel, you can change its value or modify it. Now let's see how to use the parameter to filter a dataset. Select Year column, choose a number filter, and then equals. Use a parameter instead of value. After you click on Close and Apply, the filter will change. It will affect the cluster column visual. Let's add another parameter. Now we'll choose a numerical value that is entered manually and name the filter dr. current value should be 0.1. Now let's add a conditional column and name it discount rate. If sales amount is greater than 50,000, the result should be a value of the filter, otherwise result should be 0. At the end, we'll calculate the discount by adding a new column named sales amount with discount. Here we'll enter a formula which calculates such amount. Now we should add another visual in which we'll use this column. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.